Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's current affairs video is going to be very important for your examination. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. Global Accessibility Awareness Day (GAAD) is observed every year on which day? Correct answer option B. Third Thursday of May. Question 2. The Union Cabinet approved India's sixth semiconductor manufacturing unit in May 2025. Where will this plant be set up? Correct answer option C. Jewar, Uttar Pradesh. Question 3. Who won the CCI Billiards Classic 2025 title held in Mumbai? Correct answer option B. Pankaj Advani. Question 4. Which Indian origin leader was sworn in as the Canada's Foreign Minister on 13 May 2025? Correct answer option B. Anita Anand. Question 5. Who took oath as the Chief Information Commissioner CIC of Telangana in May 2025? Correct answer option B. G. Chandrasekhar Reddy. Question 6. What was the United Nations theme for the International Day of Families observed on 15th May 2025? Correct answer option C. Family-oriented policies for sustainable development towards the second World Summit for Social Development 2025. Question 7. What was the overall pass percentage announced for CBSE Class 12 results in May 2025? Correct answer option C. 88.39%. Question 8. Who was appointed the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Dr. Ajay Kumar. Question 9. The community outreach program Nai Disha, a path back to learning to reintegrate school dropouts was launched by which organization? Correct answer option D. Delhi Police. Question 10. What is the name of India's newly tested low-cost counter-drone swarm killer system? Correct answer option D. Bhargavastra. Question 11. Which judge is said to become the first Buddhist and second Dalit Chief Justice of India? Correct answer option C. Justice B.R. Gavai. Question 12. Which country was recognized as a country's champion at the World Bank Land Conference 2025 for its rural land governance reforms? Correct answer option D. India. Question 13. Security forces have launched which operation to ensure a safe Amarnath Yatra 2025? Correct answer option C. Operation Siva. Question 14. The 8th UN Global Road Safety Week UNGRSW observed from 12 to 18 May 2025 is coordinated globally by which organization? Correct answer option D. World Health Organization. Question 15. Who received the 2025 World Food Prize for pioneering biological alternatives to chemical fertilizers that boosted Brazil's green yields? Correct answer option C. Dr. Mariangela Hungria. Question 16. Which former head of state of Uruguay, affectionately dubbed the world's poorest president, passed away in May 2025 at the age of 89? Correct answer option B. Jose Pepe Mujica. Question 17. Union Wellness Deposit, a 375-day fixed deposit scheme that bundles a free 5 lakh health insurance cover with 6.75% interest, was launched by which bank? Correct answer option C, Union Bank of India. Question 18. The new suite of feature-rich current and saving accounts branded Canara TrueEdge was introduced in May 2025 by. Correct answer option D, Canara Bank. Question 19. In a bid to scale rural multi-asset lending, Dwara Solutions brought which RBI-regulated NBFC onto its Perdix digital lending platform in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Kisandan Agri Financial Services Private Limited. Question 20. Process backed fintech PayU received the Reserve Bank of India's final authorization in May 2025 to operate as what type of regulated entity? Correct answer option B. Payment aggregator. PA. Thanks for watching.